Welcome to Kids Zone Rhymes and Songs. Jingle bell, dancing all the way. Jingle bell, dancing all the way. Music's playing, lights are shining. Let's all dance today. Clap your hands and stomp your feet. Feel the rhythm flow. Spin around in circles now, like falling gentle snow. Santa's sleigh is flying high. Reindeer lead the way. Kids are dancing left and right. It's a joyful holiday. Hey, jingle, jingle, shake, shake, shake. Hop up high and take a break. Turn around slow, then jump fast. Let this Christmas fun time last. Candy canes and twinkling lights, colors red and green. Every kid is dancing now, cutest ever seen. Drum beats boom and bells go ting. Everyone's in cheer. Let's all form a dancing line. Christmas time is here. Hey, jingle, jingle, move side to side. Wave your hands up in the sky. Step, 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 now clap again. Dance with Santa and his friends. Snowflakes falling on the ground, soft and white and bright. Kids are jumping everywhere. What a festive sight! Laughing, smiling, singing loud in the holiday parade. Memories of Christmas fun forever will be made. Jingle bell, dancing all the way. Jingle bell, dancing all the way. Let's all shout, Merry Christmas, it's the happiest, brightest day. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.